Okay, hi Virgo men, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, thanks so much for supporting the channel. So we're going to go ahead and do a general message and see what the energy is like. Now this is a general message, so it may not resonate with everyone. Take the parts that resonate for you and leave the rest. Anybody interested in a personal reading, my information is always down below. Thanks to those who do reach out for those, and thanks to those who donate to the channel, and to those of you who do subscribe. It's very much appreciated. So I do hope that everybody is well. Now, cross-watcher, if you are in here and you're dealing with a Virgo masculine, feel free to flip the roles, okay? Now, just to let you guys know, from the 1st of January 2024, the prices for my private readings will be going up, okay? But Spirit, what is the energy here today for the masculine energy? Give me a card for now and a card for going forward. Thank you. Show me. For my Virgo men, what's the energy here today? So the first one turning over here, it says the end of a tough cycle approaches. Show me more. And then going forward, we have surrender to the divine. So for some of you, there could be something that may be coming to an end around Capricorn season, okay? For others of you, there's this energy here. When I think of Capricorn, the first card I saw was the devil. So maybe you're letting go of something that is toxic, someone that is toxic. Some of you, you know, it's this energy again where maybe you're giving up certain addictions or doing things in moderation is what I'm hearing for some of you. What is this energy for my masculines? Show me. Some of you may be relocating. Yeah, we got journey and then we have change. So you see that 9-10 energy? Something is very close. Yeah, and then we got the family room that is empty. So this could be, you know, separation from a family situation. Maybe some of you are moving out of your parents' home or something like that here. That energy of where it's, hey, listen, it's time kind of an energy. Or a situation that has just been difficult. It's almost that energy of the 10 of Wands where someone here is just like, you know what? I'm not doing this anymore. Ooh, for some of you, this could be a marriage, a relationship. All right. Give me a card for now and a card for going forward for the masculine energy. Thank you, Spirit. A relationship, courtship coming out here. But it is still a number 4. So again, it could very much represent a marriage. It could just represent somebody that you was living with. But it also feels like this is a crumble of something that was once stable. I'm also hearing for some of you, you know, something that was once fun. So something isn't fun anymore. Yeah, yeah, but I am hearing it was fun while it lasted. Give me a card for going forward. Thank you. Yeah, the journey card, the number 10 came out here. You do have the child card at the bottom of the deck. What's behind that? Occupation and lovers. Now, for some of you, if you have children with this person, I feel like you're still going to do the right thing and provide. So what is the energy in love here for the masculines? Thank you, Spirit. For some of you, it feels like this was either, if it's to do with relationship, right? It's not going to be for everyone. For some of you, it feels like it's either you may have started some sort of relationship with somebody that maybe you was working with or in some sort of partnership with. But it does feel like that energy of never mix business and pleasure. And for others of you, maybe this was someone who was a friend first. And, you know, sometimes people say, you know, I don't know, people say different things, right? Some people say friends make the best lovers. Some people say you shouldn't mix a friendship, especially if it's a really good friend or somebody that you had really good times with. You know, maybe that's why it was fun until you guys put a title on each other. But give me a card for now and a card for going forward. Thank you, Spirit. My masculines in love. So we have reconciliation coming out here. And going forward. Give me one card. Thank you, Spirit. Yeah, it feels like there's some sort of unsurety about going forward for some of you. Because I'm seeing two cards turning over, okay? And the first one says, keep an open mind. It says your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. And then we have calling in your soulmate. It says your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together. So it's giving me two different energies here. Yeah, look at that, new love. So I don't know if some of you are ending one situation to go towards another. Or it could be saying to me, you know, once some of you end out whatever this is, that going forward, the Spirit is going to bring in your soulmate, because it feels like for some of you, you have been asking for that. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. So I'm also seeing this a little bit different as well over here, okay, for some of you. It is a general message, so the energies are going to be different. For some of you, you may have been in separation from somebody. Somebody that you haven't got off your mind, somebody that you still think about, or it could be vice versa, right? And Spirit may be saying, hey, listen, that reconciliation is coming in now with the courtship, right? The wait is over. Someone from your past is returning to your life. Just one card for going forward. Thank you, Spirit. Just one card. Thank you. Yeah, so you have give your relationship a chance. It says work on your partnership. So what is this for my masculine energies? Thank you, Spirit. 10 of Wands, 6 of Pentacles. Some of you are tired of giving to a certain situation. Yeah, 2 of Cups. It's almost like you want to be in something where it's an equal give and take for some of you. Knight of Wands. 10 of Cups. Yeah, some of you may have had children with someone that was holding some sort of secrets here, or they were doing something here. Yeah, over it, it says. Maybe this is a third-party situation for some of you. But what is this for my Virgo men? Thank you, Spirit. You have the Hanged One, which is Pisces energy. For my Virgo men, thank you, Spirit. Coming out sideways is the Fool card, though. Any card that comes out sideways is a blockage. Now, the Fool card is about taking a leap of faith. It's about choosing a new direction, going on a brand new journey. And you got the Page of Wands out here, so something looks good, or something is good news, or something seems like good news. So we have Aries and Aquarius. Page of Wands with the Hanged Man. Maybe someone here doesn't know what to say to another person, or because like I said, the Page of Wands can talk about communication. Now the Hanged One, it talks about someone may feel stuck, right? But even though they feel stuck, it's about seeing things from a different perspective here. See how that light is kind of around her head? Now, I am also hearing someone here doesn't know what to do about some sort of information they have. What is the Fool card? Queen of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck with the Hermit. Heavy Virgo energy here. Now, there's also an energy here where someone was slow to make an offer to another person now, either because they were stuck in another relationship or marriage, or there may have been some sort of differences when it comes to maybe beliefs or tradition, religion, spirituality with the Hierophant. What is the Fool? The Ace of Cups, yeah. The Sun card. What is the Sun card? The Nine of Cups, show me more. Three of Wands in the reverse. What is the Three of Wands in the what is the Three of Wands in the reverse? The Eight of Wands. The Chariot. Yeah, okay. That's all right. I don't need any more. Thank you. I feel like someone who is tired of waiting. I feel like someone who is running out of patience. I feel like they see something that is wish fulfillment to them. I feel like something feels very positive. It makes somebody very happy. I feel like they want to go towards whatever this is. Show me more. What is the Sun card with the Nine of Cups and the Three of Wands in the reverse? The Four of Pentacles. The Magician and the Star. I feel like someone's trying to manifest somebody in here. Or they are manifesting them in by thinking about them. You're the Four of Pentacles. I feel like somebody doesn't want to let go of a certain situation or person here. All right, what is the Fool and the Ace of Cups? There's your energy, King of Pentacles. Masculine energy, are some of you waiting to hear something about a child? Page of Wands, a Sun card, and the Hanged Man. Or maybe you stayed in a situation for children. Maybe it's that. What is this King of Pentacles energy? With the Fool and the Ace of Cups, show me. The Wheel of Fortune. Fate and Destiny. Oh, and the Emperors. See, it's almost this energy where it's time for something to turn in your favor here, masculines. But it requires a leap of faith. And it feels like Spirit is saying the time is now with the Wheel of Fortune. And then you have the Empress. Now, this is crazy, okay? But this is not for everyone, but I am hearing this. If a masculine here, if you found yourself in a situation where, let's just say that maybe a child wasn't yours, or maybe a child was lost in some sort of situation, so it could have been like a miscarriage or something like that, you know, my condolences if that is the case. But if you found yourself in a situation like that, I feel like Spirit is saying that it's almost that energy of, you know, where they kind of say God taketh with one hand and he give with the other. you may be blessed with another child here. For some of you, it's destined to happen. Ace of Cups, Empress, the Wheel of Fortune. Some of you are destined to be with your divine person if it's not about a pregnancy or children, okay? That's not going to resonate for everyone. Not everybody is at childbearing age. What is this Wheel of Fortune with the Empress? But there is some sort of conflict here, though. But it's almost like someone has to find the inner strength to overcome whatever these obstacles are. Someone here... Some of you, the person that maybe you want to go towards, maybe you're a little bit worried that there's some sort of competition there, or that this person may have other options, because the Empress energy is very alluring. But there may be some, I don't know if you have a King of Swords here behind the scenes, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy, or that may be causing some sort of confusion, but it doesn't have to be that, okay? What is this King of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Empress? The World card and the Four of Cups. You feel like you missed an opportunity here? Clarify these cards. What is the Four of Cups? Eight of Pentacles. Show me more. Some of you, like I was saying near the beginning, maybe you feel like you invested in the wrong person or the wrong situation. For some of you, you could be burying your head in work at this time. I see someone here being in their emotions. I don't know if you missed, or you feel like you missed some sort of job opportunity here, right? It's that energy where maybe you went for an interview and maybe they gave it to someone else. For others of you, there's some sort of third-party situation or some sort of group or something like that. It could be a friend group. This could be family members, but there's some sort of group coming to an end here. Now, this could also be... maybe somebody wants to work with someone. Build. I'm hearing build. Somebody wants to build with someone. Okay. Ten of Pentacles. We just saw the Ten of Cups. But there's that Five of Wands energy. Yeah, someone's going to have to push through these obstacles if they want something. That's the way I'm seeing it. So what is surrender to the divine? And give your relationship a chance. The Death card. Yeah, it landed on the King of Pentacles. Scorpio energy. Well, the Death card talks about change and transformation. It does talk about endings. It's almost like somebody begging you to stay is also what I'm seeing here, masculine energy. Someone could be using children here. Almost like emotional blackmail. What is the Death card? Page of Swords in the reverse. Show me more. Page of Pentacles landed on the Wheel of Fortune. So again, make sure that you're making practical decisions here, right? I feel like for someone here, it's going to affect your destiny in terms of what choice you make. Page of Pentacles is also that energy of starting a brand new slate. building a foundation, but starting from the beginning almost. Someone may have a choice here in terms of, are you going to go back to your past or are you going to move forward? 9 of Wands. The Moon card with a Chariot. 6 of Cups. Someone here could be dealing with a Cancer or Pisces. Leo energy. But show me more about this Page of Swords in the reverse. The 7 of Pentacles. I'm also seeing the 5 of Cups. And I'm seeing the Tower. So heavy Scorpio energy coming out over here. We also have Aries now. 3 of Cups, Queen of Swords. Yeah, see, it makes me feel like there was something said about some sort of third-party situation. Queen of Swords is someone who speaks with clarity and truth. And Queen of Swords is also someone who is not afraid to cut people, places, and things out of her life. What is this Page of Swords in the reverse? Because you've got the 7 of Pentacles. That talks about you very much taking some sort of pause, you know, to look at what it is that you've invested in. Look at the seeds that you have planted. Choices here. I feel like you had this energy last week. Page of Swords. In the reverse. Yeah, see, it talks about disappointing and bad news. It talks about a lack of ideas, a lack of planning. It talks about defense, someone who is defensive. It talks about a player. Some of you have been cheated on. And it may make you, you know, a little bit afraid to maybe move on into a new relationship. It's that energy in the back of your mind where, hey, you know, if I get with someone else, are they going to do the same thing? Kind of an energy. It's, you got to let that go. There was definitely some sort of disappointment here with this Tower. I really feel like for some of you, you really kind of feel like, hey, you may have made a wrong choice, right? 3 of Cups. But you still have 2 cups standing behind you. So it's that energy where someone here needs to turn around and realize that their true love is maybe actually hasn't even come in for them yet. No matter how fun another situation seemed. A liar, a thief is a liar and a thief, you know. No matter what face it wears. I want to say something else, but I ain't going to say it. What's the Page of Swords in the reverse and the 7 of Pentacles? Knight of Wands. Yeah, it's that energy of only fools rush in, right? What is this Knight of Wands? Someone here was a player with the 4 of Cups. So again, this energy where somebody may feel like they missed the opportunity, or Spirit is saying, hey, stop focusing on these 3 cups down here that have disappointed you. Look what we have for you up here. But someone's in the energy of, hey, listen, I'm over it. Forget love. Forget women. Forget it. 5 of Coins. With the Lovers, I told you, forget love. 5 of Coins is about leaving something out in the cold, or somebody feeling left out in the cold here, right? Maybe, like I said, Ace of Swords, the High Priestess. There was some sort of secrets that was revealed, or there is going to be for someone. Knight of Swords with the Justice. Damn, I don't know. Someone here may be leaving real quick, right? Or this is an energy of, there may be talk of a divorce very quickly. A separation here. And someone is realizing that they left their 10 of Cups in the past. All right, Spirit, what else do we have for the masculine energy? Where should their focus be? Where should their focus be? Show me. Yeah, look at that. Blessing in disguise. I'm seeing creative project, and I'm also seeing be honest with yourself. Give me one more for the masculine energy. All right, so we have there's nothing to worry about. It says you are safe and this situation is under the perfect control of divine providence and universal order. Only infuse loving thoughts and emotions into the situation to ensure that the highest possible outcome flows effortlessly to and through you. You also have blessing in disguise. It says what appears to be a problem is actually part of your answered prayer. It says you'll understand the reasons behind your present situation as everything resolves. It says trust in heaven's protection and infinite wisdom to answer your prayer in the best way. And then you have assertiveness. It says this situation can be healed gently and with love as you've requested. It says, yet there's also a need for your strength and truthfulness with the other people involved. It says, we will stand right behind you as you speak your truth, giving you strength and guiding your words. Okay. So there's some fear here, masculines. But Spirit says, hey, we're right behind you. You know, speak your truth, be your authentic self, and the outcome may actually be more positive than you expected. Anything else for the masculine energy? Give me 3 cards. And one more. Thank you. Freedom at the bottom of the deck. It says, I possess the power and the free will to create my own happiness. So your first one is worry. It says, I am learning that worry doesn't change the outcome. No, action does. You have balance. It says, I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world and I do so without judgment. And then you have growth. It says, I want to expand my consciousness and my awareness. Any blockages for the masculines at this time, Spirit? Apart from fear and worry. And a lack of action. Anything else? Any blockages for my masculines? Give me 3 cards. And one more. Thank you. So you have ancient wisdom, a lack of information. You have collisions of beliefs, styles, and attitudes. You know what I'm also hearing with this ancient wisdom? I don't know who this is for, but I don't know if you are worried about getting on in age, right? So you may be more on the mature end, okay? And it's, I don't know, it kind of makes me feel like, I don't know if you feel like time is running out for something. I don't know if it's taking you a long time to learn a lesson. So you have collisions of belief styles, attitudes, and energies. So it's almost like for someone here, maybe you had to broaden your horizon in terms of your mind space, right? In terms of not looking at things kind of with just looking at things one way. Maybe you've had to really open your mind in terms of, hey, listen, there is different people out here in the world that maybe believe different things, or they live a different way, or do you know what I mean? Or they just see things differently. That doesn't mean that they are bad people because they don't do things the way you do it. Everybody's an individual. So maybe you know, with the growth, you've learned to see things not just through your eyes, but through the eyes of others. Maybe you have learned to accept people that do things in a different way than you, that speak in a different way than you. Do you know what I mean? It's almost this, and this may have something to do with religion, because they're saying to me, they're giving me that energy where it's many roads that lead to one destination. We just all have different paths. And then you have stiff, bored, and stuck. Now, I said this yesterday. Now, this is coming out as a blockage. Life is what you make it. Spirit says, be assertive here. Release whatever fear this is. You've got, look at that. You got it twice. I didn't even realize. There's nothing to worry about, and worry. And this is a number 18. And it boils down to a number 9. And that is like the wounded warrior. Now, even like I just said in a private reading, even though the wounded warrior is that energy where you may become tired and you just feel like everything's a constant battle, and do you know what I mean? It's just like one thing after the other. The wounded warrior doesn't give up. The Most High is not going to give you anything more than you can bear, right? Spirit, show me a little bit about what is coming in for my masculines. Down, they wanted to show me the door to value. Okay. Show me more. What is coming in for my masculine energy? If they take this action here. Give me 3 cards. Okay, let's see what came out. So the first card that I saw come out was indecisions. Spirit says you got to make some choices. Like I said, the choices that someone makes here may affect their destiny going forward. So it's almost like Spirit is waiting to see what you're going to do. Let's see if you go left, or let's see if you go right. The number 8 could be significant here. I'm also seeing, okay, what is this? Okay, so we have a match out here. Hello. Woman holding a coin, man holding a coin. Now that's the kind of relationship you want to be in. That energy of an equal give and take. Giving and receiving. No more of these relationships where it's just one-sided. No more of you holding on to people or being around people, whether it's friends, families, or whatever, that envy your status. Man holding a coin, it fell on top of envy. You have people around you that are jealous, whether it is of your financial stability, right? Or whether they're just jealous of you as a person, King of Coins. Someone who is stable, maybe you own your own business or something like that. Also, there's an energy here because this man holding a coin is a number 43, which boils down to a 7. Some of you, people are going to be upset if you start holding back your finances. Now, if you've worked for what you have, then not everybody is entitled to it. Maybe you've been very giving in the past. And maybe people have taken that energy for granted here, masculines. So there's a lot of envy here. There's going to be a lot of envy and jealousy in terms of where it is that you're going, especially if some of you are heading into a relationship that is like this. The last one that came out here was Daughter Spirit. And it's a number 32, which boils down to a 5. For some of you, you are going through some sort of spiritual transformation and change here. Right? You're starting to make wiser choices, or you need to. Give me one more. What is coming in for my masculines? feel one more. Maybe you're going to give something one more try. I don't know. But one more. Thank you. Cornucopia at the bottom of the deck. Nice. Yeah, but it's almost like, see, before this blessing came in here, it's almost like somebody had to have a tower moment. What came out? Anxiety. Oh. I don't know if there's anxiety, like I said, with the worry energy, no need to worry. Put it behind you if this is you. And like I said, for some of you, I don't know, maybe there's someone here who is worried and stressed that you may be going in another direction. But anyway, let's get some Archangel Michael and end this reading for my masculine. Thank you, Spirit. Oh, one more. Thank you. Oh, masculine energy. All right. So the first one that came out, it says it's a number 16. It says it's almost over. The end of a tough cycle approaches. It says your current challenges will soon be resolved and you will be able to look to the future with a smile. And then going forward, though, we do have let it go. It says the situation no longer serves you. It says allow me to sever your energetic connections to the past so you can embrace the future. And at the bottom of the deck, which is a number 40, it says you are ready for more. It says your career is growing and blooming. It says now is the time to make the changes you have been contemplating. Yeah, some of you definitely had some sort of insight about moving forward, right? About X marks the spot. That's where the treasure is, kind of an energy. So you know, yeah, trust the guidance you're receiving here. But someone had to get their power back first. Yeah, someone had to regain their strength, or they need to, and their inner confidence here. Maybe someone was healing from something, right? Maybe someone here was suffering from some sort of sickness. Not for everyone. But, you know, it feels overall good, masculines, okay? So that is the energy that I've picked up here today for you. If anything in the reading did resonate with you, I do ask that you hit the thumbs up for me, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. But if this is where we part, guys, stay safe. Love and light, masculines.